Hi, I'm Arlene from Morrison's Flowers. Nothing says Mother's Day than a beautiful picture full of flowers. And if you're like me, you have an assortment of these in your home. So today I'm going to take some spring flowers and show you how I would arrange them. Now, if you typically get flowers for Mother's Day, maybe this year would be a hint to your loved ones to send you a maybe wrap of fresh flowers. And your container will kind of tell you what colors to get. To me, I would not use something bright and colorful. I'd like the more muted colors for this one. I'm going to start with hydrangea, and I'm going to put it right in the middle, and we're going to use this as kind of an armature or grid for your other flowers. And it's springtime, so some of the most beautiful flowers in the world are alive right now and blooming, and this is viburnum. Some of you may have this actually on blooms or on bushes at your home. And it's so interesting to me that it has different shades. This is a bright green and this is a little more white, but it could be all on the same bush. And sometimes we have a little trouble with it taking up water. The roots or the stems are woody. So you may need to chisel them and put them in warm or hot water to allow it to drink. All right, let's see. We also have some spirea, which is a spring flower. And I'm going to use this to come right out the side. I'll bring a little bit out on this side as well. Gives a nice drape. Okay. And let's put some stock in here. It's one of the few flowers that still has a really nice fragrance. And it comes in lavender, pink, purple. And if you ever get it in an arrangement, be sure and take a smell because it's one of those really sweet but not overpowering smells. Okay. Now, we could almost stop right there, but we won't because more is better. So let's add a lavender cremone. I'm going to add it to the front and to the back. And another flower that is blooming right now is called astrantia. And it's so delicate, it almost dances above your arrangements. So we're going to add a little bit of that for some height.
Oh, sure. Hang on.
And we're going to add some roses. Just for a little height. And a little more astrantia coming out this side. So we have the width as well as the height. And I'm just going to top it off with one more piece of this beautiful viburnum. And there you have it. I hope you try this at home, and if you do, please tag us on Instagram and Facebook. We'd love to see your pictures of flowers. Happy Mother's Day.